warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Laras. My first name is Ruri. Laras is short for Larasati. I was born in the city of Bangkalan. I was born on August 22nd, 2009. I am 11 years old. I study at elementary school Kemayoran 2 Bangkalan. My ambition is policewoman. I like policewoman because policewoman is cool and strong. And my hobby is swimming. I like swimming because swimming is happy. I am student in Blue English course. Why do I study English? Because I want to speak English.
Hello, good afternoon everybody, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to tell you about my short story. My name is Raffi. My complete name is Raffi Salim Raswadharma. I'm 16 years old. I live in IMC residence. I don't have brother, but I have one sister. Her name is Vira. She has a hobby, and I have a hobby too. My hobby is running, and my sister hobbies is singing. Why do I choose running as my hobby? Because if I running, I feel happy, and I feel running is healthy too. So that's why I choose running as my hobby. And by the way, I have an ambition. My ambition is police. Why do I choose police? Because I want to be same like with my father. And in my opinion, police are commanding people. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dewi. I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Dewi. I was born in Bangkalan on April 2003. So now I'm 17 years old. I am a student senior high school to Bangkalan. My father and my mother are government civilian. My ambition is I want to be a lecturer. Actually, my mother tongue is Indonesia, but I speak Madurese, Indonesian, and a little English. I like studying English every day. I learn English by listening to music and watching YouTube channel. And then on Saturday and Sunday, that is much time for me for learn English. So I spend a little bit of time checking my social media such as WhatsApp, YouTube, and TikTok.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafita. You can call me Vita. I was born in Bangkalan on September 24, 2003. I am 17 years old. I study at Senior High School 1 Bangkalan. My hobby is cooking. I like cooking because I know the name of spices. My ambition, I want to be policewoman because policewoman is strong and cool. I am student in Blue English course. Why do I study English? Because I want to speak English fluently. And then I like red color because red color is strong. My favorite food is fried rice because fried rice has many proteins and many calciums. I have one brother. My brother's name is Mohrido Januar. My brother studies in elementary school Banjaran. My brother's hobby is swimming. He likes swimming because swimming can exercise the strength of muscle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Iwan Firdaus. You can call me Iwan. I have one brother and I don't have sister. I was born on October 2nd, 2001 in Ketapang. But now I am in Bangkalan town for study English. I am a student in Blue English course, BEC. Why do I study English language? because I want to work in hotel. Why I want to work in hotel? Because I can get many money and many experience in there. Actually, I don't have future, but I have to study English language in my life. I have hobby. My hobby is drawing. I like drawing because I love art. From art, I can playing my imagination and I can know the outside world. If the world has a lot of if the world has a lot of inspiration for us. I love street art too because we need a metal for make one picture.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Hello everybody. My complete name is Muhammad Salman Al-Farisi. You can call me Faris. I am 18 years old and now I almost 19 years old. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. All of my brothers and my sisters get married already. And I am last child from my family. I like some food, but actually I'd rather trambulan. Why I choose trambulan? Because trambulan has cheese and banana, and cheese and banana contains protein and good for my body. Thank you very much for your attention.
My name is Angga. Actually, my complete name is Nanggala Ida Pratama, but my friends often call me Angga. I am 13 years old. I was born in Bangkalan on 26 June 2007. I am student in Junior High School 2 Bangkalan. My favorite lesson is English lesson. I have many friends in there. I always play and hang out together with my friends. By the way, I have hobby too. My hobby is martial art. Why do I choose that hobby? Because I think I like more challenge and make me more healthy than before. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my complete name is Zulfikri Hasidiki. Usually, many people call me Zul, but my nickname is Fikri. I am 15 years old. Now, I want to tell you about my short story. During 10 months, I stay in my home and I study in my home because pandemic COVID-19. I study from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m. During pandemic, I would like vegetable to eat because vegetable is healthy, and I would like milk to drink because milk is healthy too. And if I go outside my house, I always use mask. Actually, I had this pandemic because I don't get money if I was in my home. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dide. My complete name is Dide Rian Kuntoro Junior. You can call me Dide. I have 2 brothers. His name is JJ and Febri. They are not in my home. They are in Islamic boarding school. I have mom. My mom is beautiful. She like use hijab. My hobby is playing football. After I playing football, I will go to my home. After until in my home, I take a bath in my home. After I take a bath, I will go to musola with Mr. Iwan and Mr. Faris. Until in musola, I will read Al-Quran with Mr. Iwan, Mr. Faris, and my friend. After I read Al-Quran, I praying. After I praying, I will go home with Mr. Iwan and Mr. Faris. After I until in my home, I read Al-Quran with Mr. Safi'i. Thank you very much for your attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirmala Pabujia. You can call me Mala. I'm a student. I was born on November 25, 2008. I don't have sisters and brothers, but I have many friends in school. My ambition is doctor. My favorite color is purple. Why do I choose purple? Because purple is very good and elegant. I really like it. After that, I will tell you about my favorite school. My favorite school is BSA. BSA has taught me about sense of English. Thanks BSA, I really happy. After that, I will tell you about my favorite food. My favorite food is Padang food. After that, I will tell you about my hobby. My hobby is cook. Why do I choose cook in the kitchen? Because I love Padang food and it makes me want to cook in the kitchen. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Rafli Fernanda. You can call me Rafli. I was born in Bangkalan 8 November 2005. My favorite lesson is English lesson. My ambition is a teacher. I have many friends in my class. My friend name is Ali. He has a cell phone and motorbike. But I don't have cell phone. I borrow Ali's cell phone. Thank you very much for attention.